In a world that's rapidly reshaping and breaking rules anew, our trajectory should accelerate with purpose. It's our chance to stand out in this era of intelligent transformation, where imagination and tech transcend reality, propelling us toward an unimaginable future. For more than 30 years, Huawei has never stopped imagining the future. Through ICT innovations that build a leading, secure, and reliable digital intelligent infrastructure. Through scenario-based E2E collaborative architecture that accelerates intelligent transformation across global industries. Breaking the boundaries of imagination with technology. Accelerating beyond possibilities, where financial services are always close to hand, where city governance is more intelligent, its services more convenient. Accelerating beyond time, where manufacturing adapts to the rhythms of demand, where transport evolves, racing forever forward. Accelerating beyond space, where minds are far smarter, much safer, where power grids operate in new ways. Envisioning a world beyond imagination, accelerating technological innovation, and enabling intelligent transformation across countless industries. Together, let's forge an open, green, and prosperous ecosystem and accelerate industrial intelligence.